decided Experian Creditworks Premium isn't for you anymore. Here's exactly how to cancel it, smoothly and without hassle. First, you'll need to go to the official Experian website typically. This is Experian.com. Make sure you are on the correct and secure site before proceeding. Once you're on the Experian homepage, look for the login section. You'll need your username and password to access your account. Enter these credentials carefully. After logging in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section that manages your subscriptions, services, or profile settings. The exact wording can vary, but it's usually something like My Account, My Services, or Subscriptions. Within your account settings, you should see a list of the services you're currently subscribed to. Locate Experian Creditworks Premium and click on the option to cancel or manage subscription. You'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. Experian might ask you for a reason for cancellation or offer you a retention deal. But keep your focus on finding the final cancellation button. Click to confirm your decision. Once you've confirmed, you should receive an on-screen confirmation and likely an email verifying that your Experian Creditworks Premium subscription has been successfully canceled. Save this confirmation for your records. It's crucial to be aware of Experian's cancellation policy. Check for any prorated refunds or final billing dates. To avoid unexpected charges, some services require cancellation a certain number of days before your next billing cycle. Also, note that cancellation usually takes effect at the end of your current billing period. You might still have access to the service until that date. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Experian Creditworks Premium subscription. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.